What is good? Back with another Airsoft review. It's kind of unboxing. Got this one in not too long ago. Found it on, I think, got it right here. The SIG SAUER P226 semi-automatic. If I am correct, I think this one is licensed by Cybergun. Something like that. Not too sure though. But it is made by KJW, or the manufacturer is KJW, and it's licensed by Cybergun. Get the details right there. Right there you get 383 FPS. It says it's a tactical version. It's adjustable shooting system, full metal blowback, 0.9 joule. But if you look right here where it says 383 FPS, I don't know if you could see that because it's pretty small. You could see that it's chronoed with 12 gram BBs, which are the lighter BBs, the lightest BBs you could get. Which the accuracy on those, if you've ever tried the .12 gram BBs in your guns, the accuracy is very terrible. BBs just go in every direction. They're so light. So just don't use those, and they break pretty easily inside the gun. Anything on the back. Box is a little beat up. Not in the worst condition, but I mean, yeah, it's beat up a little bit. This one I did get it off eBay. Got it off eBay. All right, here we go. Get this right here. This metal tube. It has like this like insert. I don't know if you can see that. And I think this thing is supposed to be the speed loader or something like that. It's like some kind of old speed loader where you gotta like freaking. All right, here's the gun. This is called a desert camo. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but there it is. Desert camo. If you could see right there, you could barely see right there that it does have the licensing right there. You could see SIG SAUER P226 right there on the slide. But you could barely see that. It's not that noticeable. It's just kind of not that great, but yeah. The gun is full metal slide takedown, metal safety, fire switch, metal slide lock right here, and then you get the plastic grips. More P226 right there. The other side of the gun. SIG SAUER again. Get some more markings right there. Made in Taiwan. Get the rear sights, white dots. 3 white dots. You can see at the front. You get the white dot as well. Does come with the rail right here. So you could attach accessories down here if you want. The magazine is going to be full size magazine, all metal. Get the gas belt down there. Oh yeah, and to take this gun down, remove the magazine, pull back the slide. Pull back the slide like right there. And you see that cut right there on the slide. Gotta turn the slide, remove. like that. The slide should come off just like that. Get what you get inside a gas blowback gun. Put it back on. Putting it back on is pretty straightforward as well. Alright. Locked in. Ready to go. Now, I'm not sure if I got the magazine loaded, but I think this is a speed loader right here. Well, that I did mention earlier. It seems like this thing, what you're supposed to do is grab like this plastic piece right here. And you put this piece. Pretty interesting. I never seen one of these before with any airsoft gun. But what you do is you grab your magazine like so, put it right on top like that. You can see it has a little opening right there. And all you do is grab this metal. It almost looks like a inner barrel, honestly. Like, and it probably is just a inner barrel that they use. All you do is just take it, shove it right in there, and then take this plastic piece right here that was inside the metal tube, pour BBs down in this barrel, inner barrel looking tube, and then all you do is just push it in like so, and you should have the magazine all loaded up. We already know this. I've never seen these before. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these type of speed loaders before, but this is my first time ever seeing one of these. I have seen the ones where there's like a plastic tube and then like a plastic stick, and all you do is just put it through the top and push them down. But yeah, that I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna use a regular speed loader. Much easier, I think. Well, I mean, that way might be easy as well. All you do with this, just, you know, the wider opening right there on the magazine, is just put down the BBs. There's double stack. Both like, I think 28 BBs. I'm not even sure. Gotta check on the box again, but it does hold a pretty decent amount of BBs. Pretty good. And I'll put some gas in. Now this gun was kind of hard to find. Well, I was looking through eBay, and I was just looking at airsoft guns, see what they had. Sometimes they have pretty nice rare airsoft guns. And I don't know if you could hear that leakage, but that's definitely not a good sign. You might need some silicone oil lubricant, because as you could hear, I don't know if you could hear on camera, but you could kind of hear the gas leaking a little bit. It kind of sucks. But yeah, anyways, I found it on eBay, and it said it was new. The seller said it was new. The box does look a little, I don't know, doesn't look the best. But he said it was new. And I was like, you know what, I'm going to look for this gun, because I never seen this gun before. Well, in this desert camo. And I thought it looked pretty nice. This camo right here. And I looked for it on eVic under the P226 category, and I couldn't find it. Well, I found it, but it said, sorry, this item is discontinued. So I was like, okay, they discontinued that item. Okay, so I went ahead and picked it up. Alright, I'm gonna chronograph it. But yeah, I went ahead and picked it up. It seems to be in pretty good. The gun seems to be in pretty good condition. I'm assuming that the O-rings inside the magazine are a little, what's it called? Okay, 3.5. I am assuming that the O-rings are a little dried out for the 292. For the fact that, you know, that this is a gun. I don't know how long it's been discontinued for, but they stopped making these. So it kind of sucks because, I mean, it's a really nice pistol. I don't know why they would discontinue it. Oh yeah, and then you get at the front right there some threads to attach like a mux suppressor, or, you know, whatever you want. The front compensator. 290, 296.2, 295. It's dropping with every shot. 284.9, 285. It went a little one up. You can see right there. 285.2. The Jewel 76. But I mean, it is due to the leakage of gas. It kind of sucks that it does leak. But luckily I do have other P226 magazines, and I am gonna try those out. Yeah, it does suck though that they discontinued something like this. Like, I don't get why they would discontinue something like this. All right, we're gonna do a sight shooting now. All right. Ran out of gas. Yeah, that's pretty much it with this SIG Sauer P226. Definitely let me know down in the comments what you think about this pistol. And thanks for watching, and subscribe for more daily uploads.